Hi, this is Nevis. A few of you have been asking me where did I access the certificate for the EVO 2023 Mod Professional Development course for the moderators. Well, it's very simple. It's to do with the badges. It's not to do with anything else. So it's got nothing to do with these certificates down here, which are not available at the moment. It has to do with the badges. So I'm in the dashboard, or I'm in the home page of the course for the moderators. I'm going to go down to badges. Let's wait for it to open. And basically, when I go down to week 4 wrap up of the mod PD for EVO 2023, I click on it, and there it is, print certificate. So you can share the badge. There's the badge there. But if you click on print certificate, there it is. And all you need to do then is just print it. So as you can see, it does say week 4 wrap up. So it's the certificate for the end of week 4. And basically that's it. Okay, so if you have any problems, just go to your badges, scroll down until you see week 4, and then it just pops up. Let's just go back and look at that again. Oh, there's also a certificate for week 3. There you go. I didn't even know that. There. So there's a certificate for every badge. Let's have a look. Let's go back. Week 2 has a certificate as well. Cancel. Let's go back to week 1. And there it is there. So each week has an equivalent certificate to go with the badge. That's basically it. So let's just go back, cancel. Let's go back to badges. I wonder if the introduction has one as well, and it does. So I assume it only has to do with printing the certificate that goes with the badge. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy it is. So now, not only one certificate, you can actually get one for every single badge. How about that? This is Nevis signing off till next time. Thank you for listening.